Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to water plants when away. This video will take you through the easiest ways to ensure your plants thrive and have worry-free vacations, so stick around for the best guide. First, use a homemade water wick. The easiest method would be to DIY a water wick for your potted plants. Just use the fabric you have in your house, old clothes or cotton, and make a thread. Fetch a jar full of water and dip one end of the fabric and the other into the plant's pot. During your vacation, water is sucked from the jar through the braided fabric in the soil. Slow drip system. Slow drip system kits are bought from local stores or improvised at home before you leave for your vacation. Take a plastic bottle, fill it with water, close it, and pierce enough holes in its cap and bottom. Insert the cork into the soil, and the roots will get enough water without any risk of evaporation while you are away. Watering bulbs. There are also self-watering globes made of plastic or glass bulbs with long stems that you place in the soil near the plant base. When the soil dries, it releases oxygen into this bulb, and enough water is released. You could get the large size if you intend to stay away for long, and you will enjoy a worry-free vacation. Use a Wi-Fi water timer. All you need to do is attach two hoses to ensure each has a different schedule. Using an app, set the timer, use sprinklers, spot soakers, or soaker hoses, and the plants will remain watered throughout your vacation. This method works with the internet, which activates the timer. Plastic bag greenhouse setup. Another method to use is tying a plastic bag around your plants. Before you leave, water your plants, get a big plastic bag, and tie it around your plant. Ensure there is enough room so the plant does not touch the bag. The plants hold on to the water when it evaporates and drips back into the soil, keeping it well watered. Ensure you place your plant near indirect light. Water reserve pots. Water reserve pots found in local stores are handy throughout the year. Made of terracotta, you place your plant inside the potting soil, and it draws water from the reservoir. Ensure you fill the reservoir with water before you leave, and you will have no stress. So there you have it. Watering plants while away is that easy. Follow these steps and you will have a worry-free vacation. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.